and welcome to the another lesson of the Excel where we will be talking about the data formats. In the last lecture, I hope you get to know the basics of the Excel, how it looks and where are the availabilities of the cells and sheets, rows, columns and everything. In this lecture, we will learn more about the data formats. So first thing to know is how many data formats are there. So Excel basically accepts three types. First is the text, which is here, like row, column and total. Another is the numeric data, which is this 98, 100 or 9800. Another is the formula. So this one is equal to C2 into C3. So the formula is also accepted by the Excel, and the formula basically starts with the is equal to sign. So these are the three data sets, the data types that are accepted in the Excel. Now, one more thing to know over here is to edit a cell. If I want to edit this cell and if I try suppose number, so see it number has been written, but suppose if at the place of number I want to write number of rows. Now that to do this, there are two ways to do that. Firstly, either I double click this and then I write number of rows. So after that, if we see number of rows are there, we can format the length over here. Or another way to do, except for the double click, is to click it here and then we can change it from here, number of rows. So this is how we can change and edit a cell. Another format, there are other types of format in the numbers as well. If I come here and you see there is an option called general. Now if I click over here, you can see there are lots and lots of things are there. In general, there is no specific type, so whatever you are writing, it's in the general format as the name itself suggests. Another is the number. If I click number, now you can see it's with the 2 decimal points. We can change decimal points over here if you see, to increase the number of decimals or to decrease the number of decimals. This is helpful. Now you could be thinking that it's of no use, but if I have to write a value for suppose 3.4142 or 4142 or whatever we want to write, but if I want to use only 3.41, so we can just 41, but here it's changed and we can use this value, but here if you see the value remains the same, so it's helpful over there. Now another format is here is the date types and time type. Now this is very interesting because if I write the Excel understand that the day in the Excel it starts from the 1st of January 1900, not 1990 but 1900s. If I click here and if I see a long date, then you see it starts from here. Similarly, if I write something different here, some other date, and starts here, so see if you see like it's basically going from starting from the 1900. So it doesn't matter if I write just June, so it's taking that, it understands that this is the date today, June, like 2020. So this basically it understands the things like that it's a date, but if I'm not specifying anything, then it will take 1900 as the date. And this is all, and there are other data types as well. You can in your time, like you see, like if you see the currency, if I write here, click here and choose it as a currency, then you see pound over here, so it's a like saying the local currency. If you are in the USA, it will be dollar, or in India it will be rupees, or whatever country you are from. So yeah, that's it for the data formats in the Excel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.